Hey friends, I wanted to show you where you could find the digital domino top draw game. So you go all the way to our math centers and you click on domino top draw. And it should take you to the game workplace instructions AA domino 2A domino top draw. So here's the directions on how do you play. Then you click here. And this is for double six dominoes. And if you click here, this is for double nine dominoes. So in order to draw a card, you click pick. So there's my remember my partner and I are going to pick dominoes to see who goes first. Let's see, that was my partner's and this is mine. And I can count 3 and 3 and see this is 6. Or I could do 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, or some of us just might know 6 and 5 is 11. So you can do it this way as well. You keep clicking. You can move them over, click, move. That's how you get, when you get to the end, you will see this sign. That just means that you can start again and you get a new deck. So you can keep playing and playing and playing. And same for this, the double nine. Okay, you click, click, click. If you need to start over at any time, then you click these arrows and it will say, do you want to start to clear your work, all your work? And you say yes. And then you can play again. All right, there you go.